Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Gerald Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. I've got a nice close-up here today. There are many times when you'll be going to physical therapy, or you know somebody who's going to physical therapy and they're going for 3 or 4 or 5 months, and they tell you, you know what, I'm not getting any better. I don't notice anything different. I've achieved my maximum that I can achieve by going to physical therapy. And you realize during the therapy sessions that you're still not getting better. And you have questions about why you're not getting better even after you've healed up and are now doing all the exercises that have been recommended to you. Well, at that point, you may seriously consider and wonder, hey, why do I have to suffer with this? Why do I need all this additional physical therapy? When you bring a lawsuit seeking compensation for the injuries you suffered in your accident, here's what an attorney will ask you at your question and answer session during the course of your lawsuit. They will want to know who recommended the physical therapy. Was it your attorney, or was it the doctor you were being treated by? And when you did go to physical therapy, what did they do for you there? Did they give you ice? Did they give you heat? Did they give you electrical stimulation? What was it that they did? Did they do exercises with you? They'll also want to know how many times you went for physical therapy a week. A defense attorney's job is to determine not only what happened to you and what injuries you suffered as a result of the accident, but what further treatment you're going to need in the future. Are you going to need further orthopedic care? Are you going to need further physical therapy? Are you going to need rehabilitation therapy? Maybe you need occupational therapy or some other type of therapy to help you get back to that level where you can now function on a regular basis. A defense attorney will want to know whether you are doing the instructions that your therapist told you to do at home. Are you doing them on a regular basis when they told you to? What exercises are you doing? And why is that important? Because they will want to know, number one, whether you follow instructions, and number two, whether you are doing everything possible that you can in order to improve your physical and medical condition. And if you are, you come across as a much better witness at trial because it shows that you're trying to improve yourself and make yourself better, rather than somebody who's sitting around waiting for a payday. And that's it for today's video tip about physical therapy. By the way, if you have additional questions about how accident cases work in the state of New York, then I encourage you to explore my website. You can see the address right here. It's oginski-law.com. Or if you have legal questions, I can answer your legal questions. And I encourage you and urge you to pick up the phone and call me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerald Oginski here in New York. I want to thank you for joining me here for a few moments of your time. Have a great day.